Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning and trying to organize my bathroom a little bit. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Put everything from the counter into this basket so that way I can see what I want to keep on the counter or if I want to get rid of anything.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you. And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline.
Now I'm just going through my makeup and trying to put it back in my makeup bag, because when I use it every day, I just kind of set it on the counter and I don't always put it up.
And we don't need the drama. We'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to. 'Cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Ooh, you just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really wanna know, so we throw away our phones, go Bonnie and Clyde. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. Anywhere you want. And we don't need the drama. We found our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you.
Anyone's wondering about this green bucket? I use this to wash my husband's clothes if they are real greasy or real dirty before I put them in my washer, so that way I don't mess up my washer.
That I get when I'm next to you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away. I will run away with you. Will you run away? Will you run away with me? 'Cause I will run away. I will run away. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to. 'Cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Get when I'm next to you. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status.
If you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. See you next time.